Running a small business means juggling everything, even sales follow-ups from 10 different channels. What if you could auto-capture every lead from email, Slack, DMs, connect your inbox and chats? Use Zapier or make.com to pull messages from Gmail, Instagram, or Slack. Step 2. Auto-extract contact details. Use Parsio or Bardeen to scan messages for names, emails, and requests. Step 3. Sync to a CRM instantly. Send the data to HubSpot or Pipedrive or even Airtable with one click. Step 4. Build a lead magnet funnel. Create a free landing page on moksy.ai with a form and incentive. Step 5. Automate your follow-up. Use FlowEyes with OpenAI to send smart replies tailored to the leads. And just like that, you've turned scattered messages into trackable leads.